You guys don't even know how awestruck I am right now. I grew up with these aunties up on stage, and many of them have performed with my family. All of them had records, Nahoku Hana award-winning tapes. I used to play their tapes until it stretched.
It was Auntie Karen's time.
Yeah, Auntie Karen. No, and in fact, I entertain at Halekulani, House Without a Key, and sometimes I forget the words. So back maybe like 35, 40 years ago, Auntie Karen made one book. Yeah, Auntie, the Hapahali book, the brown one.
You go, girl.
Yes, every time I get brain fart, I gotta open up the Auntie's book. Thanks, Auntie.
That would be the Bible.
And all of these legends up on stage, I have always admired ever since I was a keiki. And Auntie Karen Keawehawaii is my mom's and my Auntie Mele Apana's best friend. So Auntie Karen used to come Kauai from when I was like 3 years old, and she used to decline Gaddafi all the flowers in my tutu's yard. Yeah, Auntie?
I did.
Yeah, she did. Auntie Mihana, her family, Puamana, I had their record, the pink one. Yeah, the pinkish record, yeah.
That's Hannah. I'm Karen today.
So, Auntie Mihana Souza, everybody. Her mama, Auntie Ermgard Aluli, was one of Hawaii's legends. They too are Mihana Souza, Nahoku Hana award winner. Auntie Darlene Ahuna from the big island.
Darlene Ahuna.
And because she was playing an Ovation Adames guitar. I was in high school, so I wanted to have a guitar like her. So I bought one Adames 30 years ago for be like her. Yeah, and my mom traveled special to Big Island and Las Vegas just to see her perform. And Auntie Karen was my mom's
Karen.
my mom's best friend and my Auntie Lovey's best friend. Auntie Ku'uipo Kumukahi, she's my
Aloha.
mentor. So this is, I call them the Auntipedias. They're the encyclopedia. There's like auntie and encyclopedia put together. They're called Auntipedia. Okay, hula hala o Auntipedia, yeah? They've been performing for a very long time, since the days of King Kamehameha. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Wahine All-Star Band. Mihana Souza, Darlene Ahuna, Karen Keawehawaii, and Ku'uipo Kumukahi.
Iole ka uaua E aloha no Honolulu I te ua tūtarahale Kalukua o mama Aua e nei maope Kari mai nā mahua Ka olulua o lele
young and the tall. And their leaves go nape nape in the gentle breeze. Mahalo. Home nani? Home nani? Home ika aika. Ke kona le akamahina. Ikikai hamana. Home so beautiful. Home that's out there by the sea. How we love to gather, watch the moonbeams playing on the surf, and sing and dance to the wee hours of the morning. We come to the end of this song story. Thank you for letting me share with you our family home. Puamana, there on the seashore in Lahaina. Like all of our homes, it is piha, filled with aloha. Eo, kuhame, puamana, eo. Mahalo.
Look at that. We just started this group and already we get 4 songs. Halaus. Anybody want to sign up? How many of you can see me? How many? Okay, 3 of you. Thank you so much. As introduced, we are the aunties of what?
Auntipedias.
Expedia. So you can look us up on Google. Of course, you're not one auntie though. You can be one
He
auntie.
said he forgot his move.
If you want to be an auntie, I have Lole for you at home, so we can have Auntie Zach. But just check us up on Google. Yeah, Zach Lani. Okay, Zachalani. Okay.